my god. Did my hair get tangled in there? This is a disaster. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, Bella's Beauty. Today I'm going to teach you how to get both of these super cute curly hairstyles using perm rods. Both styles took about, I would say maybe an hour and a half, just because you have to sit on the dryer for 30 minutes. And for me, it was a struggle putting the rods in. So the first step is going to be to wash your hair. This is freshly washed and conditioned hair. I'm going to use the Cantu coconut curling cream to moisturize my curls to make sure the style just stays in place. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need. Next, I'm going to take my Argan Oil Eco Style gel and I'm going to smooth the front, the back, the sides. I'm going to smooth everything just to make sure my hair lays down. After that, I'm going to take my knockoff diamond brush. If you have a real one, which I do, is just somewhere that I don't know where it is. You want to use that. Anything that has these wide little teeth on it, you want to use that to comb your curls out. Just so that when you put the rods in, that they don't turn out looking crazy, because your hair has to be really, really smooth in order for the style to come out nicely. Next step is just to put your hair in a high ponytail. You can do this however that you know how. And I'm also going to be using the purple perm rods. I'm not sure what size they are, but I think they're like color coordinated, you know what I'm saying? So these are one of the bigger sizes. It's not the biggest size that they come in, but it's one of them, so it's going to give you really big pretty curls. So anyways, you want to start at the bottom. Make sure your hair is fully brushed and combed. Make sure that there's no lumps or bumps in the strand that you choose. You're going to start from the bottom and literally just twist your hair around itself, and then work it all the way to the top of the ponytail. When you get to the top, you want to secure it by using the little rubber band piece that's on the end of the perm rod. Late night when you need my love, call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. I'm gonna put it on my baby. 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 Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. The last step for this style is to create your baby hairs. I like to do this when my hair is wet because I think that it lays my hair down easier with the gel and the edge control, but do your baby hairs however you want to do them. You want to sit under a hooded dryer for at least 30 minutes. I think I added on 10 minutes to my time because the middle of my hair wasn't completely dry. You can sit under a hooded dryer or you can let these air dry, but doing it with a hooded dryer is definitely a lot faster. When you go to take these out, you always want to make sure that you have some type of oil on your hands so that you're not making your hair more frizzy than it is already going to be. The style is supposed to be big and fluffy, but it's not supposed to be straight frizz, so really be careful when you're taking these out. You used to call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. The next hairstyle is super easy. It's literally the same style from the beginning of the video, but just with a bang. So you would section out your bang piece, and you can either do that first or second. I decided to do mine first. So I just put my hair in a high ponytail just like the last time, and then I parted I think 6 or 7 little baby pieces, and I used the white perm rods instead of the purple ones, and then in the back I used the orange perm rods instead of the purple. So the white ones are kind of small, they're really tiny, and they're going to give you really cute curls. And then the orange ones are smaller than the purple ones, but they're not as tiny as the white ones. So you can really just play around with these, and it's basically the same. Comb your hair, make sure it's brushed thoroughly, no lumps, no humps, and then just twist it towards your scalp and secure it with the rubber band piece. Also, remember with this hairstyle, when you're taking the perm rods out, make sure that you have oil on your hands just so that the curls aren't really frizzy. And as you separate the different portions of your hair, make sure that you are twisting them in the way that they were twisted, if that makes sense. So if you separate them and the twists were going clockwise, separate it and then twist the smaller section clockwise as well, just so that you have kind of some consistency within the curl patterns.
Call me on my cell phone, late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone, late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone.
And that is basically all I have for you today. I hope you guys really enjoyed this mini tutorial. I'm going through these different hairstyles with me. I'm trying to find some different ways to wear my natural hair. I mean, I'm always going to be a big fan of wigs, but my natural hair is cute too, so I figure, hey, why not? Let me know what else you guys want to see down below, and of course I will link all products in the comment section. See you guys next time.